In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp'S time tracking and reporting features. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go to see your team's time entries, how to review them, and how to turn that data into clear, shareable reports. First, make sure you're logged into your ClickUp Workspace. From the main interface, navigate to your Team Space overview. This is usually where you see a high-level view of what's going on in your workspace. We're starting here because it's a familiar place and it gives us a direct path into the dashboards we'll be using for time tracking. Next, move your mouse toward the top navigation area and click on the option that opens the main workspace sections. From that menu, select Dashboard. Dashboards in ClickUp are where you can bring together different types of information in one place, and they're perfect for tracking time across multiple tasks and team members. Once you're on the Dashboards page, look for a dashboard called Timesheet and click on it. The Timesheet dashboard is designed to show you logged time in a more structured way, so you can see who is working on what and for how long over a chosen period. Inside the Timesheet dashboard, locate the Time Reporting section and click on it. This is where ClickUp pulls together your time entries and displays them in a report-style format. Here, you can usually filter by date range, assignee, or specific spaces and lists. Take a moment to look around and get familiar with the layout, because this is the main area you'll use for analysis. Now, if you want to share what you're seeing with a manager, a client, or your team, go to the top of the dashboard and click on Share. This opens up sharing options so others can view the same time report without needing to recreate it themselves. After opening the share options, click on the highlighted sharing method that best fits your needs, such as inviting specific people from your workspace. If your time reporting view shows no results, that usually means your filters are too narrow or there's no time logged for the selected period. Click directly on the No Results area, then choose Add Card. This lets you add a new time-related card to your dashboard so you can configure what kind of time data you want to see. When the panel opens, click on the highlighted card type related to time tracking or reporting, then confirm by selecting Add Card again. This adds a new, customized time reporting card to your dashboard, giving you a clear, visual way to monitor tracked time going forward.